back to my channel. So for today's look, I just wanted to create this winged eyeliner with this glitter liner on top with this like purpley burgundy lip color. So it's really simple, but I figured it's perfect for this time of year and New Year's coming up. I didn't do any eyeshadow because I wanted the drama and the look to focus on the eyeliner, and I just put some highlight on the inner corners of my eyes. So that's really it. If you want to learn how to achieve this look, keep watching. So I went ahead and did my face makeup. I contoured just slightly a bit because I wanted the focus to be onto the bold lips and the winged eyeliners. To start the wing, I'm using the Revlon Color Stay Liquid Eye Pen, and I love that it has a felt tip. First, I create a thin line starting in the inner corner and drag it out in one sweep motion a little bit past 3/4 of my eyelid. And I'm going over that line, making it thicker and smoother. So to start the swing, start by creating a line from the outer corners in the direction to the end of your eyebrows. When I first make the line, I make it really light, and then I keep going over it to just kind of make it darker. So now I'm going to connect the end of my wing to the midpoint of my eyelid. And then just filling in all the spaces in between. And you can see I'm using little strokes to do that. What I like best about this eyeliner is the felt tip and how it gives you so much more control when you're making the line, so everything's smooth and in one motion. So I decided that I wanted to make the eyeliner a little more dramatic, so I kind of extended the line of the wing and then continued to make it even thicker. It's nice that we already have an outline, so I can just keep going over it to make the line thicker in the same shape. Sadly, my eyeliner started running out, so a trick that I used was that I dipped a small brush in just black eyeshadow and kind of very lightly and precisely put the black eyeshadow over my eyeliner to fill it in. So now for the super fun part, I'm using the E.L.F eyeliner in Stardust. I take the brush and start near the inner corner and place the glitter right over my black eyeliner. I used smaller strokes to make sure I get the most concentrate of the glitter. It's good that we did the black eyeliner first because now we already have a guide to shape our glitter eyeliner. This part is a little tricky because I do have to keep making sure that I'm dipping the brush back into the glitter eyeliner to make sure I'm getting all the sparkles and glitter on there. And I keep packing it kind of in the same areas to make sure it's all on there. So now I'm going to stroke the brush on the underside of my wing as well so I can fully outline my wing with glitter. So I'm just continuing adding on glitter to make the eyeliner as glittery and sparkly as possible. So now I'm doing my other eye using the same technique as I used last time, and I'm just once again starting in the inner corner and gliding on the eyeliner all the way to the end, and then extending a line in the direction of my eyebrow from my outer corner, and then just connecting that line to about midpoint of my eyelid and filling everything else in with the black liner. And once again, because the eyeliner is running out, I just dab some black eyeshadow over my eyeliner. I'm going ahead again and taking the E.L.F glitter liner and gently just stroking it on right above my black eyeliner, using it as a guide, and making my way from the inner corner all the way to the end of my wing. So you can go ahead and go back and look at your eyeliner and see anywhere that you think that it's not glittery enough. Go ahead and fill those spaces in. Using really thin strokes, you want to make sure that the glitter is also in the inner corners so that it starts right from the inner corner and smoothly is going out and blending in. Here's the eyeliner all finished. To finish the look, I'm taking the shade Funny Girl, which is the light sparkly color from the Tartelette in Bloom palette, and then I'm just dragging that color out into my waterline. I like doing this because I think it complements the glitter liner on top really well. And then I went ahead and took the darker brown color from the same palette called Activist, and I put that on my outer corners. Last but not least, I used the Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara, and I just put it all over my eyelashes. You can also totally wear false lashes for more dramatic eyelashes. So this is the completed look, and I really like how it turned out. I'm definitely going to be wearing it more often. I also love anything with glitter and sparkles, so I'm loving this look. So that's it for my look today. If you guys liked what you saw, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.